Good day, New York. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Cleveland Place, not in Ohio, here in New York City. Now, before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. And today we're going to be doing Cleveland Place, New York, not Ohio. As in O, high, O. So, let me show you where I am. This is like a divider. This is Lafayette Street. Going this way. Let me start from the beginning, from the very tip, guys, of this divider. I'm gonna go to the divider right here. So that's Lafayette. But if we turn around, to the left we got Cleveland, New York Place, and to the right we have Lafayette going south. Now, we begin the journey now. This one is only about 2 blocks, guys, 2 blocks long. Cleveland Place, New York. So I'm gonna go slower here so you can see most of the street, guys. Again, it's only 2 blocks long, just so you can see everything. Actually, I already did the park. I already did the street back there, guys. Most of the streets down here already done, guys. They're on my channel. This will be no more than 6-7 minutes. Wow. Yeah, so we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going, guys. Wow. Coming up at Cleveland Place, Kenmare Street, heading southbound. Cleveland Place, Kenmare Street. St. Laurent. And that's Carrot Top, guys, right there. That's his place, Carrot Top. Ooh, check it out, guys. Ramp. Ramp. Check it out. Ramp. Nice. Okay, guys. What is this? Theory and a beat Green Street. Okay, guys. Now we're gonna do a 180 right here. Coming up at Cleveland Place and Broome Street, but now heading northbound. Yeah, that's see? Cleveland Place, Broome Street, heading northbound. Hold on, guys. Now we can move. Paul Fox. Coming up at Cleveland Place, Kenmare Street. heading northbound. Again, guys, it was only 2 blocks long. Oh, and that's like a Mexican restaurant right back there. Used to be a movie theater, but now it's like a restaurant. Go figure, things change. See, green is up there and it's brown over there. So the signs here go from green to brown, at times to yellow, but it depends. And this is Champion Pizza, more like Piazza. Yeah, like I said, guys, 5 to 7 minutes. Soho Astrology. We're coming to the end of the video, guys. Again, you already know what to do, what to say. We're about to go across the street and complete the circuit. We're about to complete the circuit right now. Okay, guys, now we go in the middle again. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys all somewhere in time, as always. And bye.